Hello students, as we have already discussed about specific heat and specific heat at constant volume in the last lecture. Now in this lecture we are going to discuss about the molar specific heat at the constant of pressure. As we know that जो ਆਪਾਂ ਕੱਲ ਵਾਲੇ ਲੈਕਚਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਸੀ ਡੈਫੀਨੇਸ਼ਨ ਆਫ ਦੀ ਸਪੈਸਿਫਿਕ ਹੀਟ ਐਟ ਕਾਂਸਟੈਂਟ ਵੋਲਿਊਮ specific heat at constant pressure ਦੀ definition भी almost same ही होएगी but the difference is that जो specific heat at constant volume ਦੀ definition ਸੀ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ volume constant ਲਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਸੀ but now in this case we have to consider the pressure constant. So it is defined as the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 mole of substance through 1 degree at the constant of pressure. Fine. Actually 1 mole of substance क्यों लिया होया because we are talking about the molar specific heat. So we have to consider about the moles. Fine. So अगर आप mathematically define करनी चाहिए so mathematically we can say that Cp is equals to curl Q upon curl T. That is the change in the amount of heat per unit change in temperature at the constant of volume. सो हुण आपां दोनों डेफिनेशनस ऑलरेडी कर ली हुई हैं दैट इज़ मोलर स्पैसिफिक हीट एट कांस्टेंट वॉल्यूम एंड द मोलर स्पैसिफिक हीट एट द कांस्टेंट ऑफ प्रेशर. नाउ व्हाट विल बी द रिलेशन बिटवीन बोथ ऑफ दीज. सो इन ऑर्डर टू डिस्कस अबाउट द रिलेशन बिटवीन Cp एंड Cv कंसीडर द 1 मोल ऑफ द परफेक्ट गैस. वी नो दैट ना परफेक्ट गैस बारे तुहानूं ऑलरेडी पता ही होएगा जिहदी तुसीं डेफिनेशन लैंदे हो दैट इज़ PV इज इक्वल्स टू NRT. ऑलमोस्ट सब नहीं पढ़िया होएगा PV इज इक्वल्स टू NRT. परफेक्ट गैस लेंदे हो ना. सो इस गैस के लिए कंसीडर अगर आप रिलेशन कैलकुलेट करना होए Cp एंड Cv दे विदिन सो कंसीडर दी 1 मोल ऑफ द परफेक्ट गैस. सो 1 मोल कंसीडर किया होया सो ऑब्वियसली N इज कंसीडर टू बी 1. फाइन. नाउ दी नेक्स्ट वन इज अकॉर्डिंग टू द फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनेमिक्स. We know that according to first law of thermodynamics dq is equals to du plus pdv. Actually dq is equals to du plus dw ਹੁੰਦਾ that is work done. So dw ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ pdv भी लिख सकते हो. There is no problem. So next is that अगर ਆਪਾਂ दोनों साइड dt ਨਾਲ डिवाइड कर दिए because कुछ ना कुछ रिक्वायरमेंट्स है अपनी फाइनल रिलेशन ਨੂੰ कैलकुलेट ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ कर्ल q upon कर्ल t इस फॉर्म ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ ਹੈ रिलेशंस. So just considering dividing both sides by dt. So it will be dq upon dt is equals to du upon dt plus p dv upon dt. So अगर आप consider करिए pressure is constant. So pressure constant consider किया होया. So इस केस के लिए जो तुहाडे complete derivatives होंगे that will be changed into partial derivatives because आप एक additional consideration ले ली that is pressure is constant. So just for this we have to consider all the complete derivatives into partial derivatives. So तो equation किस टाइप की बनेगी कर्ल q upon कर्ल t at constant of pressure is equals to कर्ल u upon कर्ल t at constant of pressure plus p कर्ल v upon कर्ल t at constant of pressure. Now we know that left side देखो जो अपनी equation की left side होएगी left hand side that is exactly equals to the equation of Cp ना जो Cp ਨੂੰ आप मैथमेटिकली डिफाइन करते हैं exactly सेम ही है. सो इनू तुसी left hand side ਨੂੰ exactly Cp सेम है सो इसनू तुसी Cp भी लिख सकते हो. there is no problem. Fine. And we also know that जो तो internal energy होएगी that will be the only function of temperature. We know that ना internal energy of the perfect gas is only the function of the temperature. So अगर तुसी इसका partial derivative चाहे at constant of pressure करो with respect to T that is curl u upon curl T करो at constant of pressure करो और constant of volume करो that will be exactly same because u is only the function of temperature. Fine. So तुसी sorry जो ऊपर वाली equation है that is curl u upon curl T एट कॉन्सटेंट ऑफ प्रैशर उसकी जगह ते तुसी कर्ल u अपॉन कर्ल t एट कॉन्सटेंट ऑफ वॉल्यूम भी लिख सकते हो. क्यों लिख सकते हो बिकॉज u इज़ द फंक्शन ऑफ ओनली टेम्परेचर. सो चाहे ਟੈਂਪਰੇਚਰ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਡੈਰੀਵੇਟਿਵ ਕਰੋ ਵਿਦ ਰਿਸਪੈਕਟ ਟੂ ਕੌਂਸਟੈਂਟ ਪ੍ਰੈਸ਼ਰ ਚਾਹੇ ਵੋਲਿਊਮ ਦੇ ਥਰੂ, these will be exactly same. So this equation is modified as Cp is equals to curl U upon curl T at constant of volume plus P curl V upon curl T at constant of pressure. Fine. We also know that according to the definition of specific heat at constant volume, we know that that is Cv is equals to dq, or you can say that curl Q upon curl T at constant of volume. Constant of volume consider कितना है. So according to first law of thermodynamics, we know that dq is equals to du plus pdv. Fine, but volume is constant, so this factor is 0. So only we can say that dq is equals to du. So obviously Cv is also equals to curl U upon curl T at constant of volume, because curl Q ਦੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ curl U ਵੀ ਲਿਖ ਸਕਦੇ हैं ना, because dq is equals to du for the constant of volume. So obviously Cv is also is equals to curl U upon curl T at constant of volume. Fine. So in this case sorry, जो अपने कोल फर्स्ट टर्म है इक्वेशन दी, फर्स्ट टर्म है राइट हैंड साइड curl U upon curl T at constant of volume, this can be written as Cv, because this is the definition of specific heat at the constant of volume. So results will be Cp is equals to Cv plus P curl V upon curl T at constant of pressure. Now according to the perfect gas, by considering the equation of 1 mole of the perfect gas, we know that perfect gas the equation की होएगी Pv is equals to nRT, but for the 1 mole of the gas n is equals to 1, so Pv is equals to RT. Fine. So we can say that V is equals to RT upon P. अगर ਆਪਾਂ according to the equation this one अपनी requirements की है, that is we have to calculate the curl V upon curl T at constant of pressure. So just consider the partial derivative of this V with respect to temperature. So it will be curl V upon curl T at constant of pressure is equals to R upon P, because pressure is considered constant. So only with respect to temperature ही अपन partial derivative करांगे, it will be equals to R upon P. So ये वाली तुसी values ऊपर वाली equation विच put करोगे, then it will be curl V upon curl T is equals to R upon P, as we have already calculated. So the equation will be Cp is equals to Cv plus P into R upon P. So it will becomes Cp is equals to Cv plus R. This is the actually the relationship between Cp and Cv, that is the molar specific heat at constant pressure and the molar specific heat at the constant volume. Fine. So this is also known as very important formula for the perfect gas is known as Meyer's formula. Fine. Now look at this equation. As we will get the value of the Cp by adding some additional factor in Cv, because Cp is equals to Cv plus R ना, just by कुछ additional factor add करके Cv दे with which, ठीक है, Cv ਦੇ ਨਾਲ कुछ additional factor अगर add कर देंगे, then we will get the value of the Cp. So we can say that for the perfect gas, Cp is always greater than Cv. That is specific heat. Sorry, Cp is always greater than Cv. That is specific heat at constant pressure is always greater than molar specific heat at the constant of volume. ठीक है जी. So this is the relation between Cp and Cv. Thank you then.